this question this morning. Now, for those of you that are writing WAEC, NECO, or JAMB, these are the questions that you cannot escape in WAEC, NECO, or JAMB. But we are using by formula method to solve this question. If you know you are an SS1, you are an SS2, SS3, come and solve this question. Come and be looking at this question. And make sure as you are watching, make sure you like, you share, and you comment. Now, let us solve this question like this now. Solve 6s squared plus 14s minus 132 equal to what? 0. We have a general formula to solve quadratic equation. The general formula is given as s is equal to minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Before, we used to call it almighty formula, but now it's not called almighty formula again. It is called formula method. Now, as we are given 6s squared now plus 14s minus 132 equal to 0. This is our A, this is our B, this is our what? C. You can write them out. Our A is given as 6. Our B is what? 14. And then our C minus 132. Negative 132. After that now, you will now when you see these numbers, you will fix it inside the equation. And you have S. What is our B? Our B is 14. Can you see 14 here? We put it here. That will be what? Minus 14 plus or minus square root. Our B is still 14. You can see B here now. That will be what? 14 squared. Our A, it is 6. And we see A in the equation here now. In the formula here, we put 6. And then our C, it is negative 132. Right? Negative 132. Close the bracket. All over. We still have 2 here. Right? 2. Our A, don't forget, it is 6. Put it here. So we now have that our S equal to minus 14 plus or minus square root. We will now check our 14 square. It means 14 times 14. 14 times 14. We get 196. 196. And minus times minus, negative times negative, that is what? Positive. Our 4 times 6 is 24. And 24 times 132, we get 3168 divided by 2 times 6, we get 12. Now, we are now left with what? S is equal to minus 14 plus or minus. We put our score like this again. We are going to add these two together now. That is 196 plus 3168 plus 196. We get 3364 all over 12. Now, after that now, what I'm going to do now, we will find the square root of 364. And of course, our S is equal to minus 14 plus or minus square root of this now is given as what? 58 all over 12. We are going to have that our S is equal to, because we are giving plus or minus now, we will now split into 2 different value of variables. We have minus 14 plus 58 all over 12. This will be what? Equal to, let's check, minus 14 plus 58. We get 44 all over 12. And let us see. And 44 divided by 12. Here we get 36.66 or 36.27 in 1 decimal word place. Or we can have it that 2 here is 11, 2 here is 6. Is 6. That would be what? 11 all over 6. After that 6 goes in 11, that is one number, remainder 5 all over 6. So it's either you need to answer in decimal point or in mixed fraction. The other one, we are going to split the other one too. We have s, or s is equal to minus 40 minus 58 all over 12. I check minus 14 minus 58, we get minus 72 all over 12. After that, I'm going to have that our negative 72 divided by 12, we get minus 6. So hence I want to go to what? S is equal to what? 1 whole number 5 whole over 6, or 3.7, or s is equal to minus 6. This is our final answer. This is our final answer. So make sure as you are watching this video, make sure you like, you comment, you share.